Hello, my name is Robel and I'm going to show you how to make a house on Google SketchUp. This is a pre-made house already that I made to show you guys to see what a simple house would look like just with windows and a door. Now once you get better at Google SketchUp you can add a lot of things, furniture and all that stuff. But for right now, for beginners, this is what you need to practice on making. And I'm going to show you how to make this. Okay, first you can go, if you want to get this tool bars right here, go to View and Tool Palette and Tool Set. Large tool set, and this will come up for you. Now on your keyboard, you can actually press like R for rectangle. You can get the rectangle tool. If you press A for the arc tool, you can press I think this is polygon, so you press P's for the push pull, and you get the idea. C for circle and all that stuff. Now we're gonna press R on your keyboard and just go like that, and press R, and we'll make a rectangle. Now using the push pull tool, you can pull out almost any object and turn it into 3D. This is the amazing thing about it. And if you're wondering how I'm turning these things around, this is this blue thing right here. It's called the orbit tool, and you can orbit around your objects as much as you want. And that's it. Now we're gonna go right here and we'll click on the pencil tool or line tool, and right here, and then once you find the middle part, it tells you it's midpoint, and right there you can click that, and just connect it like that. And we can do this and take the push pull tool and just easily, just like that, you can erase it. And now you got this roof looking thing on your house, which makes it look more like a house. Now we'll create some windows. Now in this video, all I'm going to show you is a house with windows and doors, but hopefully you see more of my other videos and become an expert at this. Now what I've just done is I just made a rectangle, and if you take the offset tool, which is this tool right here, you can go in the rectangle and make another rectangle. Now it gives this look right here, more like a window look. That's why I used it. Now you highlight that, press G, which is on your keyboard, which is the component, to make a component. And once you make a component, this component tool is very useful, and it will help you out in many ways and save you time. But you'll see how useful it is once I go more deep into making this house. Now we can copy this and just paste it right here. Just add a couple windows. And just like that, we just made all these windows. Now, you're wondering what the component tool is capable of doing. Now, if you remember, I made this window component. So if you double click on it, you see this, everything else kind of turns grayish, and there's a line around this box or window that I made. And now, once you do that, you can, now let's say if I wanted to color it, can go to paint bucket, which is right here, or you can press B on keyboard and we'll go to blinds. And I'll just pick one of these blinds and just paint it. Now when I just painted this outer line, what I just did is since you made this window component, it colors in all the other windows that I just made, which saves you time. Now we can come down right here to translucent and pick out a window. Just say this and just color it. Now once I just did that, you see how you can see through the house, which means there is glass that I just turned the space into glass. Alright, now that's what you can do with a component. You can easily adjust one thing, which adjusts the whole thing, instead of having to color this and go around and color each one of the windows. You can easily just color one window and it'll color all the windows for you. That's a helpful trick which you will use obviously in making anything, more from chairs to houses to apartments to anything. Now we're gonna make a door. Just zoom in a little bit, take the offset tool and do that. Now what I'm gonna do right here is click on this bottom line, take the move tool, which is M if you press M on your keyboard, and just move it down like this. I'm also going to turn this into a component. Just say create. You always want to have this checked in and glue to any. Say create, copy this. Let's say I'll add it. Door right here. And now I'm just gonna double click on that and get my coloring tool, get this wood and just color that. Now I'm gonna get the push pull tool and just push this in a little bit, and you can say, once it's like highlighted right here, you can just say delete on your keyboard and it'll delete it for you. Now as you see, the other doors also been done. Now I just made a normal house. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color it. Go right here to brick and Cataline. You can choose any one. They have many different kinds, but I'm just gonna choose this for right now. And just color. Now I'm gonna go to roofing and just pick one of the shingles out and color those in. Alright. Now this is a simple house. I did not use any measurements or anything to make this. And as you see, it did not take that much time and was very simple and easy. And you can also make these houses and even better once you become experts at this software. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice time.